How to delete iQIYI account permanently. 1. Open the iQIYI application. 2. Select Me. 3. Select Settings. 4. Select Account and Security. 5. Select Delete Account. 6. Select Continue. 7. Select Submit. 8. Select Google account. 9. Select OK. Success, your account has been deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe.